and we're going to build a grate. We're going to weld a grate for this, so manure doesn't go down in there. Here at Faulkner Fixes All, we do the intricate, special, artistic things. Yeah, it's going to be great. The manure has to go in that hole, or doesn't have to go in that hole. It gets spread around there. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, yep, change of plans. Change of plans, because I don't want to drive 60 miles to go get some more steel. And also someone has to be able to pick up this horse grate. They actually have to be able to pick this up. And 18 by 22 with 3/8 plate, that's what we're going to use. That's going to be pretty hard for a normal person to pick up. I mean, I could probably do it, but anyway, we got to make it smaller. And we're going to weld these two squares together. It's got to be 1 3/4 thick. And this is 1.5 inches plus the 1/4 inch. It's going to be a little over 1 3/4 thick, but I don't think anybody's going to notice. So I'm going to weld up these squares first. Then I'm going to cut this plate, tack this together, put it on there, and then drill a whole bunch of 3/4 inch holes in it. The people at that farm are just washing the manure down the drain, and that's all good and dandy until someone has to clean the drain. So you're supposed to use a shovel and scoop it up, not hose it down the drain. So if we put some 3/4 inch holes, only the small little nuggets will go down there. So anyway, I definitely will have to go buy a new 3/4 inch drill bit. And if I was smart, I would lay these out first, drill them before it's welded on there, drill them over in the drill press, and then tack it together and put it on here. And I think that's probably what's going to happen, because it's easier to manipulate this piece of 1/4 inch steel and put it in the drill press, and this piece separately, than this whole thing. I mean, I could do it when it's all done, but I don't think I'm going to go that route. Quite a few holes to drill, and I don't have a drill bit that will do anything like that. So we have to go buy a drill bit. That's okay though. And I'll have to move another bike probably. Anyway, so that's what's happening. And we did finish this wheel. I already told you we did. Oh yeah, that's a good one. And if you're tuning in, I guess I'll make this for the normal folks. I don't think you have to pay to be a member to watch me weld some stuff up. Okay, maybe next video. Anyway, yeah, here we go, and we're gonna zap all that together. Then we're gonna cut this, and then I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna go get a drill bit and drill this first, or drill it when it's all on here. And you know, whatever's more difficult. Yeah. Okay, see you guys in a minute. Hey folks. Hi. See if we can bend this off. Woo. Okay. All right. One more weld along there. And we're gonna go and get a drill bit, or I could drill it 1/4 inch and then use a step reamer. I don't know. I gotta make a handle for it though that fits in here. I gotta be able to lift it out. It's super hot. Let's let that cool, and then I'll put a bead along there. And yeah. Been a lot of work. Yeah. Boy, I wish I was out riding those bikes. It's coming along. Gotta put the handle on it. Oh man. Okay. Welcome to pain in the bottom day. These holes have to be 3/4, and I bought a new drill bit, I was getting all happy, but this drill bit will not fit past the safety collar in the, well, it won't even come out of here now, but it won't go past the diameter is too big to go past that. And I was going to take this part off, you know, but you have to take the whole chuck off you have to undo this whole chuck to get this piece past that. It won't go past the chuck. I mean, there's a reason that's there. It's a good thing to have. So what I'm doing is, this has to be done tomorrow morning. So I'm on a deadline, and it's lame to have to do this, but okay. So I drilled it 5/16 on the drill press. Then I come in with this reamer. Then I come in with Mr. Big Stubby, and I think I'm just about to ruin this drill, but it's working. And then once this goes down and almost catches to the bottom, then I hit it with this bigger reamer. It's very dicey. It's very hard on my wrists. And so what I found out is, once I use the big drill on this side, then I can use the drill on the other side, and then I come with that big reamer, and it'll go through and make those big holes. Now, the reason I've done these middle ones is I'm really getting tired of drilling, and if it comes down to it, I'm just going to skip these. I'll just put the small reamer in and call it, you know, I mean, when do you say enough is enough? I'm almost there now. But anyway, these two holes, this one and this one, are for a big handle that I'm going to make that slides down and is flush here. It might cross over that a little bit, but that's okay. And then when you pull up the handle, and you can lift this out of the area you need to clean the manure. Yes, it's going to be fun. And then people will have to actually use a shovel instead of just hosing the horse poo down the drain. Anyway, so yeah, back to it. It's been a lot. It's been a lot, and trying to get these holes with this is a bit rough on the wrists and knee. Okay, so we're gonna get back to it. Yeah, I'll let you know in a minute if I still have a wrist left. Okay.
I've been talking about that content for a while with my partner.
Alright. This is day in the life here. Faulkner fixes all. Some people riding horses down there. We just put that manure grate in. Isn't it beautiful up here, folks? Don't you wish you lived in North Carolina mountains? Well, you can. You can come here and buy property. Just not this property. Okay, going up there. All right. Uh-oh, it's time for some low range. I was doing it high. Okay. Okay, that's all for now, folks. It's getting into the top secret area. I gotta shut you off. Anyway, we gotta cut this tree and roll it down the mountain. It should roll pretty good. Don't try this at home. No?
Maybe a straight for it. I was hoping to hit right there, but I couldn't get lined up.
Yeah, let me turn this off. I hope you. There. Dude. I'm not a country boy. I'm a city boy. Stay away, briars. There's that tree we cut down.